Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Usumbut Menteri Rangba Kejelang ba Prestun Tensong Uloong ba umyos ngawi ay sepang kata kejingti dewyong bean handai lada yos ngaw ne umyos ngaw ru uloong ba kaan kedon man khangla dia kita ki kam bean lada kidon. Uloong ba dono usnam araja khatsau ki pulet bagi bor penyai distrik kilale ya badon kam man pintikina bakan omdon kejingle bean. Uloong ba sorkar kan sepha ay jubab jongka syakiying bishar hadim balayo ulum ya kai phot na ki bor penyai distrik.
I have not heard anything about the illegal mining of coal now. But whether we heard or we don't heard, what I'm saying is the law always there to prevail upon those illegal activities. Let me tell you one thing that not only because we receive a report, but that time right from 2014 itself. In fact, the police administration, the district administration, I'm telling you, what we're doing is, it's very clear, the direction from the government side, it's very clear that you have to really work hard to make sure that the illegalities does not happen in their respective districts. That we are yet to receive, and I'm very sure, because see now that we have to also, we have to also reply to the court. So very soon this will happen. And on the basis of the report to be received from the concerned district, then we will also file the affidavit in the before the Honorable High Court.
Wat penleno yakni kakabu ki sopti etho ki babha bat shongdor nadu sa po hajar hadu hnriu po hajar tingka menta philaban yo hagador lai po hajar tingka ya ki sopti etho ba shongdor hinyo po hajar seneng phinyo tang san po hajar tingka tang kata ka wei ki sopti ka de ka wei ki design tang na ka benta jongphi wan jit nok loi na molai moro bat na mot pran pho no menta hau khandai saw lai hnriu san pra hinyo lai pra